And it's raining. Surprise! Yeah. Hauling some hay. Only because I had somebody call, I'm out of hay, I need hay. You do know it's rained over 1.5 inches in the last 24 hours. If you can get to the road, it'll be alright. If he stops, he's screwed. Ah, success. Oh, don't lose any. There he's good. Whee! I love rain. If I don't get killed trying to get out of here. Zip, whoa, come back. Another gear. Yep, it's raining. I think it rained pretty much all night. Steady rain. Yeah, I think there's about a 1/2 inch in the gauge last night, 5, 6 o'clock, before I took the kids trick-or-treating. And took off this morning, dropped the kids off the babysitter. There was pretty close to 1.5 inches, it looked like. And it's still raining. I didn't think he was going to get that truck and trailer in the field pointing downhill, because we had to have 3 attempts to get her. It's going to make short work of the leaves. Just, hey, go ahead and pass. Stop sign right there. Yeah, it's going to make short work of the leaves. They are getting beat out of the trees, so it's not going to be a very pretty fall, even though they're really just starting to turn. Stop sign. Optional when they got white around them. Zip, sending that load of hay to a cattle farm. Hopefully that'll get them till it dries out, or they can get to some of theirs. I don't know what's going on. Hey, wish I had more of it, but we don't. It's about lunchtime, and I'm going to go finish winterizing the camper, and oh Lord, they did a terrible job of patching that spot. Yeah, winterize camper and go put it away for the year. And maybe I don't know what else. Probably go pull my dad out. He'll probably get stuck delivering that hay. So see what we'll get into this afternoon.